China has congratulated the people of Bangladesh on the successful completion of the 13th National Parliamentary election and extended its best wishes to the Bangladesh Nationalist Party BNP for leading in the election. On 13 February at 11 a.m., the Chinese embassy in Dhaka posted this message on its verified Facebook account. The message stated, "Congratulations to the people of Bangladesh for the peaceful and successful completion of the 13th National Parliamentary election and to the BNP for leading in the election. We look forward with great anticipation to working together with Bangladesh's new government and to writing a new chapter in China-Bangladesh relations." Earlier, following the successful election, the US Embassy in Dhaka had also congratulated the people of Bangladesh as well as the BNP and Tariq Rahman on their victory. Desk report, Bangladesh Guardian.